Okay, hi everyone. Last class we learnt about what, especially for tropic movements in plants, various types of tropic movements in plants we are discussing. What are that one? Igmotropism, phototropism, okay, and various types of tropisms we learnt in last classes. Okay, now we are going to discuss about what, especially for plant hormones, phytohormones. What is phytohormone? Phytohormones means what? In plant body also. Already I am told in plant body there is no nervous system. How? They are showing response to stimulus. They are showing response to stimulus because of what? Especially plant hormones. Okay. The plant hormones are one of the reason, especially plants also showing what? Responses to stimulus. Okay, what are the various types of plant hormones we will discuss here? What are the various types of plant hormones? Especially in plant hormones are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, and abscisic acid, ABA. Abscisic acid, ABA. In short form, we have to write ABA, abscisic acid. These are four hormones which are useful for inhabitants and increase the size of the body, plant body, and reduce the size of the plant body and different various functions we will observe right now. Okay, what are the auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, and abscisic acid, ABA? These are the various types of plant hormones. The first one is auxins. Auxins, these are involved in tropism. Especially, it is the dominance, apical dominance. Apical dominance means, for example, this is the plant. Generally, plant is growing in upside. Why it is growing? At the tip of the apical region. This is we can call apical, top apical region. At the tip of the apical region, auxins are produced. These auxins are useful for increase the growth rate of the plant body. Apical dominance, it is useful for increasing apical regions, tip regions. It reduces the lateral growth. It increases the apical dominance, top. At the tip region it is produced, it is increasing what? It is develops what? Apical region especially. Growth rate we are observed. Why? Because in apical region, especially in an apical region, at the tip of the apical region, auxins are produced. So that these are apical dominance, dominant apical region. Okay, example of auxin is IA, indole acetic acid. Okay, indole acetic acid. That is the especially for functions of auxins. After auxin, gibberellins. What are the main functions of gibberellins? The gibberellins break the dormancy. What is the meaning of dormancy? Break the dormancy of seeds and buds. What is the meaning of dormancy? For example, some seeds are not growing when we are sowing the seeds. After sowing the seeds, it takes long time for growing. Why? Because that seeds are in dormancy, sleeping, nothing but sleeping. So that it is a breaking. That means these gibberellin produced in plant body, in seeds body, especially in seed, and that is useful for to break down what? Dormancy, sleepiness of seed and buds also. Okay, and promote the growth. It is also useful like auxins, like increase the growth rate, especially stem elongation. Stem elongation, useful to increase the growth rate of the stem also. Germination, seed germination, breaking down the dormancy, and it is useful for seed germination also. And flowering, development of flowering plants, flower development also it is useful. That is nothing but we can call gibberellins. After gibberellin, next one is cytokinins. These are also very important for cytokinin. Promote cell divisions. We know mitosis and meiosis. Which promotes? It promotes the cell division. Indirectly, it is useful for increase the growth rate of the plant body, and also stomatal opening. It is always useful to open the stomata also. Okay, and slow down the. This is one more important. Slow down the senescence. What is senescence? Some plants within short time they turn into yellowish color, nothing but old. It delay the aging, nothing but what we call this word senescence. Senescence means what? It delay. Who delay? Who delay? Cytokinins delay senescence. What is the plant's aging? Always it look like greenish color. Okay, so that cytokinins are useful to the plants. And also what? Lateral bud development also. It is useful for development of lateral bud. First of all, cell division, stomatal opening, and slow down the senescence, plant aging, and the lateral bud development also. Cytokinins are useful. And inhibit in hormone, that is we can call abscisic acid, ABA. Abscisic acid, it closes the stomata. Okay, what are the functions of abscisic acid? In that plant body also abscisic acid is releasing, that is useful to close stomata. If stomata is closing, the exchange of gases is not occurs. Whatever gas is prepared in plant body, it is not evolved. So that abscisic acid is indirectly affect the plant. And not only that one, maintain the dormancy. Already I am told what is dormancy? Sleeping. It increase what? Dormancy means it always keep the seed in dormant sleeping. The seeds are not growing, lateral buds are not growing within short time. So that is the functions of abscisic acid, maintain the dormancy. Okay, these are especially main functions of what? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins, and abscisic acid. These are we can call phytohormones or plant hormone. In plant body also 4 types of hormones are releasing. Okay.